I'm Sade, and today we're going to do a cute little silk press, and I'm going to show you this nice organic fermented herbal rice shampoo. It's an organic product. It detoxifies the scalp. So we're going to do that because she had a little braids in her hair and her scalp is a little bit dirty. So we're going to get that all cleaned up. So I have 3 different types of products. I have the fermented rice detox shampoo, honey mint rose auto conditioner. I also have a leave out conditioner, which is argan oil and prickly pear. The ingredients are 97% organic and 3% natural. Fermented organic rice water is organic wild rice used in a fermentation process. So what I'm going to do is check her scalp. I'm going to scratch any dandruff or dry scalp up that she may have. That's going to allow the product to penetrate better into her scalp. I'm going to apply the shampoo on dry hair. So is this a cooling sensation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel the tingles?
I do.
It's mint. It's a mint shampoo. It has peppermint in it. This is a really good organic shampoo. No suds, there's no foam, but it's cleansing. I'm very into organic products and things that are healthy for you. So this is really good. It has brown rice water, alma, aloe, peppermint, neem, rosemary, aloe vera, and so a whole lot of great stuff that's great for your hair. So the instructions say put this on the hair, on the scalp first. Manipulate the scalp, massage it in, because it's a detoxifying shampoo plus conditioner. So I'm going to massage this in, and then I'm going to leave a cap on it for 30 minutes. Alright, move the camera up then, because I want you to see her scalp, how it's working in her scalp. Like that. This camera, just move it up. Just so you can, I just want to be able to see your scalp. While rinsing it out, I think she needs maybe a second time just because she has little braids in her hair. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rub the shampoo into her scalp, but not by section, just kind of through my fingertips. And then I'm going to leave that on for a few minutes, and then I'm going to rinse that out. So now I'm going to apply the Honey Mint Rose Auto Conditioner. It's 89% organic and 12% natural. It also has the organic rice, fermented rice water, organic raw honey, organic mint oil, organic rose auto oil, organic argan oil, organic bamboo, protein, and a couple of other ingredients. So I'm gonna apply this to the hair just right after doing the detox shampoo. I'm gonna comb that through, and I'm also gonna leave that on for 30 minutes. and sit her under the dryer as well for better penetration. So as much as I do a lot of hairstyles with beeswax and pump it up spritz, I'm also really big on hair care. I believe that you definitely need to take care of your natural hair. These people don't wear these styles every single day, and even so, you still need to take care of your hair after you get certain styles like that requires you to put heat on your hair, or certain products with a lot of alcohol in it. So it's always good to definitely take care of your natural hair. So I'm very big on hair care and keeping your hair up to date. If you look at a lot of my videos, a lot of my clients, all of them have natural, healthy hair. So I really don't play that about having damaged, unhealthy hair. You really need to have, you need to really care about taking care of your natural hair. When last time you had a trim? More than that? What, like 6 months? Four. Okay. So I'm gonna give her a little silk press and a trim because she hasn't had a trim in about 4 months. So we're gonna trim off them dead ends and give her a nice silk press. The great thing about that leave-in conditioner, it was also a heat protectant. So, but I'm also gonna put another heat protectant on the hair too to protect it from the heat. And then she'll be good to go. The great thing about organic products is it can be used on everything. You can use this on your face. You can use this on your body. It's gentle for newborn babies. So it's really, really good for all hair types. So make sure you check out Royal Herbal Organics, their fermented rice shampoo, and as well as their other products. This was really, really good. I really love natural products. Natural products are great for you. It's also healthy for you, and you can use it, like I said, on a baby. You can use it on a pregnant woman. It's really, really good. So make sure you check them out. I'll leave some links in the description box. Make sure you Follow me on Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses, like my Facebook page, and leave a question or a comment. Thank you for watching.